All right, it's Tuesday, February 11th. Just wanted to follow up on Home Depot from an earlier trade I made this morning and a re-entry trade I just made. I discussed how I bought the stock here early in the morning after it moved up on bar one, consolidated for a while, and then broke out of bar one. So right here at this middle blue line. And I discussed the context in play that on a 2-up day, we're working towards this 418 area, and that can trigger the weekly chart, moving up towards even higher highs. So there's context to the upside here. Then once it moved up nicely, I did scale out to set up an overage trade. I exited, I scaled out here at the upper blue line, and that kind of lowered my break-even stop to about the midpoint of the first bar down here. Now what happened was when I saw it failing here, then it kind of watched it pause, come down. There was a break here on the 1-minute chart, and I decided instead of just breaking even on the trade, to take a small gain here at the red line. I sold the rest of my position here, so I bought it here at the middle blue line, scaled out here, exited the rest here. Then I just continued to watch it, and again, this was based on the 1-minute chart at the time I was watching. I knew where my break even stop was down here. Came down pretty big, it just missed it. Then I saw it this is where I wanted to see it really move back up again. It went up, paused, started up, and then paused again. So this is the 1-minute chart. So I just exited here at the red line and then continued to watch on the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart obviously continued a little lower. So I would have broken even at the worst, but I took a small gain. And then it kind of just took out this liquidity here, this little pivot, midpoint to the first bar, and then immediately had a big green reversal. So I re-entered here at this blue line, and that's where I am right now. And I'll look for it, it could come all the way up to the highs of the day if things strengthen, but at a minimum, I kind of expect just a push up to the top of the range here. So it might be 2 small gains on this trade today with the context to the upside. So again, I bought the stock here at 415.25. I scaled out at 416.25 Sebron's trade. Exit the rest of the trade at 414.98. So a little small gain there. And then I just re-entered here at 414.46. So I'm in here again after this green reversal bar at a key area where I expect things to hold in an overall uptrend. And we will see now at this blue line, if we kind of work our way up, we should take out this little pivot here. And then see if we maybe get a little bit of green up to the top of the range, for the rest of the day at some point. Again, we're kind of holding that first bar area here, broke to the upside, had a pretty steep pullback, but not as much as, other stocks are doing a lot worse. This one has nice context to the upside, so I continue to watch it. Re-entered here at this blue line. Let's see if we get a little follow through that I expect into the afternoon.